This is Tennessee, folks, the greenest state in the Union, and the home of Davy Crewcut. That young'un was a born hunter. Yes, sir, he went after his first bar at the age of 3. 3 months, that is. Why, that boy was completely bar happy. Well, he growed bigger and bigger. There was times he had trouble keeping his end up. But he never let that bar get the drop on him. The years went by, and Davy growed big as a ox, and almost as smart. Consarn you, Davy! I'm getting fed up with your shooting. Go shoot yourself a woodpecker.
Yeah, sure enough. Betsy, we're gonna get ourselves a woodpecker.
Hold it, Davy. I'm not a bear. I'm a woodpecker. Woodpecker. Get it?
Yeah, and I'm not aiming to get a bar. I'm aiming to get me a woodpecker.
A woodpecker? So, you're not hunting bears anymore?
Nope, just a cotton-picking woodpecker. And he's hiding in this here tree.
Uh-oh. Here, Davy. Try smoking him out.
Yeah, I'll blow smoke and,
Have a light?
thanks. Never touch me. missed me.
Ow! Howdy, Davy! Hey, get yourself a woodpecker yet?
You and your woodpecker. I'm getting myself a cotton-picking bar.